two 27.5-inch tires,
an 11-speed transmission, and a cleverly hidden onboard lithium battery and controller integrated on one sturdy frame. Yep, it's an electronic mountain bike. E-bikes have been around several years, but only recently exploded in popularity. While people have a good grasp of what to look for in a great bike, what characteristics define a quality e-bike, and what separates one e-bike from another? These questions are at the heart of what ADO, a global e-bike manufacturer on Alibaba.com, set out to answer. Their exploration started from designing the right controller, the brain of the e-bike. A good e-bike makes you feel like you have superhero legs. And the key insight here is recognizing that the magic comes in at different points for different people. That's where the controller gets to work. Meticulous coding, hands-on assembly, and rigorous testing go into the making of every controller board that powers the bike's speed, acceleration, and how fast the motor starts. It gives users the option to switch between different riding modes based on what brings them the most joy. To build a quality e-bike, low-tech sensibilities are no less important than high-tech performance. Building a quality frame is all about choosing the right metal, cutting it, shaping it, joining it, and doing it in such a way that the actual touch, the interaction between man, the material, and the tools elevates the final product. Metal always decides what it wants to be, so it takes years of experience to feel its temperature and understand how best to shape it. One of the worst things a bike can have is a poorly calibrated frame. The slightest change in geometry can have a huge effect on a bike's performance. After being softened in an oven for 2 hours, the aluminum frame is affixed into a jig and its alignment checked. Then they are put back into a 200-degree oven for 4 hours to harden and boost structural strength. Making a frame beautiful is no quick feat. After a degreasing treatment and putty application, ADO manually coats their frames in 4 layers for a sleek and protected finish. This process involves up to 8 different steps. Every electronic mountain bike produced here is inspected by the team twice, not by machines, but by humans. A great e-bike should know the road that they're on. They act and react to the rider and their efforts. Because of this, only a human can truly adjust the riding experience for another human. Creating an electronic bike is a time-consuming process, and one that remains surprisingly hands-on. For something built by experience for experience, there is no doubt the essence of these e-bikes lie in the details. So, what makes a quality e-bike? For ADO, creating a great e-bike starts from making a great bike. Attention to details and a hands-on approach are the cornerstones of the 100-year-old bike-making craftsmanship. But it does not stop there. Modern technology empowers a good bike with a little electric magic, which goes a long way, literally, to bring new joys to the familiar riding experience. Alibaba.com hosts many manufacturers like ADO, who recalibrate traditional industries for modern demand. Their unbroken connection to the past serves as a rich legacy that drives their dedication, effort, and